Students, today we are going to study profit and loss. In previous class also I started and 2-3 questions we done. I given the some formulas. I think you are all learned the formulas. Now exercise 3.1 question number D. We studied about profit and we studied loss, SP selling price, cost price. Then today I am going to explain one new word, actual cost price. After this D exercise I will explain. Now look here, find the cost price and selling price is given, profit is given. Are you remembering the formula? How to find out? What you have to find out? CP. CP means C, cost price. How to find out cost price? Selling price minus profit. Look the third formula, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Here you should write the formula, selling price minus profit. What is the selling price? 900 minus 380. 0, 10 minus 8, 2, here is 8, 8 minus 3, 5, 520. What is the cost price? 520, selling price is 900, then profit is 380. Now, overknown this one. In previous class we studied the how to find out selling price when cost price and profit is given. Now I will show you when there is loss. One more questions. Yes. Look the third questions. SP is given. Question number 3. Selling price is equal to 6,200.40. Then what is written there, students? It is given loss. Loss is equal to rupees 340. What is the loss? 340. In previous question, selling price and profit is given. So formula CP is equal to selling price minus profit. Now here SP is there, loss is there. What you have to find out? CP. Can you say the formula? Selling price, then SP. Look here, CP is equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss is equal to 6,200.40. How to add 340? Here you have to add 340. No. So look here, if there is no decimal, you have to add. In decimal chapter already I explained. No? You should add 2 zeros there. Then you should write here 340. Once more, when selling price and loss is given, what is the formula? CP is equal to SP plus loss. If there is profit, you have to write just opposite, minus. Now 0, 4, 0, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 6,540 is the cost price. What is the cost price? 6,540. Now 4 questions are there. 6. One I showed. One is for profit and one is for loss. I think remaining you can do homework now. Now I am going to explain. I told you one new formula here. 7th formula, actual cost price. CP plus overhead expenses. What is the formula? CP plus overhead expenses. For example, you bought one new TV. For rupees 20,000, you bought a TV for how many rupees? 20,000. So from the shop, you have to bring to your home. So you went with your father with father's bike. So father told you will call one tela. Tela wala ko bulaya. Usne bola 2,000 rupees chahiye aapka ghar tak पहुंचा देंगे. How many rupees they told? 2,000. It is called transportation charge. Transportation charge. transportation charge, they told they want to give 2000 rupees. So this extra amount, that is called overhead expenses, that you have to add it to CP. This is the cost price of the TV. You given transportation charge how many rupees? 2000. So actual cost price, what is, students? Actual cost price CP plus this extra amount को बोलते हैं बेटा overhead expenses or overhead charges plus overhead expenses. So 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000 is the actual CP. For another one example, for you one old bicycle for 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees you bought one old bicycle. So it's, you have to paint it, then you have to buy a new bell, so that is for bell for 10 rupees, and you painted for 50 rupees. This all together it is called overhead expenses. These two amount you have to plus and add to this one. So what is the actual cost price of the bicycle? 5,060. Or if you bought new house, then you for old house, then you painted, repairing, so that all extra amount you have to add to CP. So what is the formula? Actual cost price CP plus overhead expenses. Always overhead expenses you have to add it to CP. Yes. Now look the question number E. Question number E. You can write down in the CW. What is written there? Find the profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. That means we don't know it is profit or loss, which one, so you have to find out. Then question number 1 already it is showed. Look the second question. CP, cost means CP. CP is equal to rupees 3,000. What is the CP is written? 3,000. And overhead expenses. I written the short form EXP. Overhead expenses. What is written there? 880. This is the CP and this is the overhead expenses. Overhead expenses, what we have to do? We have to add it to CP. It is called actual CP. What is the formula? Actual CP. CP plus overhead expenses. CP plus overhead expenses. 3,000 plus 880 rupees. 3,880 is the now CP. Now don't add this CP. Now what is written there, students? Selling price is given. Selling price is equal to rupees 3,200. 3,200 is the selling price. CP is 3,000 and overhead expenses is 880. Now actual cost price 3,000 plus 880. So now CP is actual CP. Now what is the selling price is given? 3,200. Can you say it is profit or loss? CP is 3,800 and SP is 3,200. When SP is less than the cost price, you know it is loss. So you should write loss is equal to, what is the formula for loss? Cost price minus selling price. What is the loss formula? Cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 3,880 minus what is the selling price is given? 3,200. We have to minus here. Rupees 0,8680 is the loss. What is the loss, students? 680. Don't forget, always overhead expenses you have to add it to the CP. Now it is over now. Okay, now look, third one is homework. So only third one is homework. Total 4 questions. Then fourth one I am showing. Yes. Look the fourth question. Fourth question, cost price is given 21,700. CP is given 21,700. Then overhead expenses. Overhead expenses is equal to overhead expenses rupees 2,500. What is overhead expenses? Now what we have to do? We should find out actual CP. We should find out actual CP. How to find out? CP plus overhead expenses. CP plus overhead expenses. Overhead expenses is equal to 21,700 plus 2,500. We should add both 0, 0 to 4 is 2. 24,200 is the actual CP. Now what we have to do? What is written question? Selling price is given. Selling price is equal to, what is selling price is given? Look the question. Selling price is equal to rupees 24,000. 24,000 is the selling price. Now here also look the students. CP or SP, which is greater? CP is greater. When CP is greater, what will happen? It is profit or loss? It is loss. So loss is equal to, what is the formula? What is the formula? CP minus SP. CP minus SP. It is easy method, or just to see which is greater. CP is greater, so CP minus SP. So 24,200 minus 24,000 is equal to rupees, what is answer? 200. 200 is the loss. When overhead expenses, what we have to do? We have to add it to the cost price. It is a formula, actual CP is equal to CP plus overhead expenses. Easy no? Understood no? But you have to learn the formulas, okay students. Now look question number F. Question number F. Question number F. Find the selling price. Find the selling price. Here also overhead expenses and everything is given. What we have to do? We have to find the selling price. Yes, look the first question. Question number 1. Question number 1, what is written there? Cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees 357. What is the cost price? 357. Then overhead expenses. Overhead expenses is equal to, what is overhead expenses? Rupees 27. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out actual CP. Actual CP. Whenever there is overhead expenses, we have to add it to cost price. We have to add it to cost price. So CP plus overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. Don't forget to write the formulas. Is equal to 357 plus 27. Sorry, 358. 358 plus 27 is equal to rupees 385. What is the cost price? Actual cost price 385. Now look the question, students. Profit is given. Profit is equal to, what is the profit? Profit is rupees 35. Here CP is there, profit is there. What you have to find out? Selling price. Find the selling price. What is the formula? CP plus profit. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. Then what is the CP? 385 plus what is the profit? Profit is 35 is equal to 35 rupees 5 plus 5 10 to 420. What is the SP? 420. Once more, CP is given, overhead expense is given. Both what you have to do? We have to add it. Then profit is given in the question. So what you have to find out? We have to find out the selling price. How to find the selling price? Selling price is equal to CP plus profit. CP is 385, not 350. Both you have to plus it. Now here also fourth question, I will show you one by loss. This is by profit, another one is by loss. Yes. Look the question, question number 2. Question number 2, CP is equal to 9,756. What is the CP? 9,755. Overhead expenses 555. What is overhead expenses? 555. Then what you have to find out? We have to find out actual CP. What is the formula? CP plus overhead expenses. 9,756 plus 555. Both you have to plus it. Is equal to 10,311. What we got, students? 10,311. It is what? Actual CP. Then look the question. Loss is given. What is written there? Loss. What is the loss? Rupees 199 is the loss. 199. What you have to find out? Selling price. Selling price is equal to, when loss is given, what is the formula? SP we have to find out. We have to find out CP and loss is there. CP minus loss. So you should write the formula. CP minus loss is equal to, what is the CP? 10,311. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP is equal to actual CP 10,311. What is the loss? 199. So 11 minus 9 2, 10 minus 9 1, 2 minus it is cancelled, 2 minus 1 1, so 0 10. So what is the CP, students? SP is, what is the SP? Rupees 10,100. We completed now. So here actual cost price we have to find out by adding overhead expenses. When loss is given 199. How to find out loss? SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP means always we have to take actual CP when overhead expense is there. So now we have to subtract it. We got answer 10,112. Okay, completed, students. Now next exercise is word sum. We will start in the next class. Okay, bye.